$200 to $500 per day online doing nothing else but copy pasting links for free. This is Euro, but don't even worry about it. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you a super cool free strategy you can use from anywhere in the world to make anywhere from $200 to $500 per day. Now you can take massive action with this. I'm going to show you a total of 7 websites. Even if you're just going to use one, you will probably see results. If you're going to use all 7, you will see massive results. But before I'm going to show you the strategy, as always, let me give away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email address so I can send you the $10, and I'll be revealing the winners of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. I have a free live training sessions for you where I show you how to make 6 figures. I have some free stuff, I have my social media, check all of it out. And right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this amazing strategy. Now, even before I'm going to show you these websites, I wanted to show you some proof, some income proof for inspiration. Okay, so I didn't make all that money with this strategy that I'm going to show you in this video, but I made a good portion of this money using this. And obviously, again, if you're going to use all 7 websites I'm going to show you in this video, you can take massive action and you can scale this up as big as you want to. Now, as you can see, this is just one of my affiliate accounts. These are my affiliate stats for last month, so this will be for December, and as you can see, I made $5,398. Now keep in mind, this is just one of my accounts, and this is all just from affiliate marketing. So obviously you can use different websites for affiliate marketing. I'm going to show them to you in this video, and you can make tens of thousands of dollars if you do it right. Now, without further ado, this is just some proof for you to see that affiliate marketing actually works. And right now, let me show you the website. Now, the website you're gonna go to, and this is the first website out of 7, is the free ad forum, free classified ads. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the freeadforum.com, and you're gonna have to create a free account. Okay, so as you can see, how this works is this website allows you to post free classified ads. Okay, and this will work in any niche, but obviously we're gonna focus on a few key ones. Now, as you can see, we have business opportunities right here. So we have work from home, business opportunities, businesses for sale, you know, all of these other categories. Then we have classes, community, jobs, real estate services for sale. So I'm just going to show you some cool strategies for finding the right products, and also we're gonna jump into a bunch of different alternatives. Okay, so before we're gonna start, just keep in mind you have to open a free account. So all you have to do it is just click right here, click on register for free account. This will open up this page, and you're gonna have to put in your name, email, and password. They will send you an email back with a confirming link. Obviously, you're gonna have to click on it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head on to the work from home category. So obviously you can use any category, but just for the purpose of this video, we will focus on the work from home, because as you can see, this is the major category right here. So we have well over 200,000 postings right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. People essentially post ads. This is all for free. There's a paid version if you want to have a premium listings for like $5, but essentially you can use this strategy for free. This works from anywhere in the world, and essentially all you have to do is just find a product that is related to work from home in this case, and just grab your link. I'm going to show the whole formula right here in this video, and post it. Okay, if anyone will click on it, they will be interested. If they will buy from your link, you will get a commission. Okay, the commission obviously depends on the product. It can be 50%, it can be even 100%. So this is how this works in a nutshell. So again, sign up for the free account, and right now let me just show you an example of one of these listings. Okay, so this is not my listing, but this is just something that I clicked on. As you can see, it says earn $100 every day as a side hustle from home. They have some sales copy right here, and in the end you have a link. So it says please visit our website. You have the link right here, and if we will click on it, this will probably take us to an affiliate offer. Okay, so this is all you have to do. Okay, you can just copy. Yes, so essentially this is an affiliate offer. all you have to do is just find an affiliate offer, copy and paste the headline, copy and paste the text right here, and then just add your affiliate link. Super easy. You can create these postings in under a minute. Okay, now I'm going to show you 3 different websites where you can find affiliate offers. And they're a little bit different from each other because first of all, the products are different and the approval process is different as well. So the third website that I'm using, as you can see, going back to my proof, this is Warrior Plus. Now Warrior Plus is for affiliate marketing and making money online and internet marketing products. Okay, so you can go to Warrior Plus. As you can see right here, I am on my second account, and essentially what you have to do is just to go to affiliate, then offers. You'll be presented with a bunch of different offers. Actually, this one right here is mine, 24-hour commission hustler. You can check it out, you can pick it up. As you can see, I already have my link, but what you have to do from Warrior Plus is just click right here on the request form. Okay, so after this, let's click on request right here. As you can see, it says you must be approved by Bish. This is Mark Bishop to promote his offer. We're gonna click on request approval, and you can send a note or not, but we're gonna click on request offer, and then we should be approved by the seller. So as you can see, I was auto approved. So you will be auto approved on some offers, on some you will not be, but if you want to get approved guaranteed, just find me, Art Flair, right here in the Warrior Forum, get the link, and when you're gonna be requesting the link, just type in I'm watching your channel Art of Marketing blog, and I will approve you. Okay, so this is one of the ways. Now Warrior Plus is great for this category that I just showed you, so work from home category, business opportunity, etc. So you'll find tons of offers on Warrior Plus, as you can see, and they also have a deal of the day. So as you can see, this is the deal of the day for today, and essentially the deal of the day is always something that converts well, and that is something that you can stand by and recommend to other people. Okay, so warriorplus.com, another website you can check out, and it works very similarly to Warrior Plus is JVZoo. So jvzoo.com. I'm not going to be showing you the whole process right here in this video, but essentially, you are checking out the products, you grab your link, you have to be approved, and then you just add your affiliate link to whatever you are promoting. Now I'm going to show you how to grab the whole text and headline as well in a second. Now, if you can't get approved for some reason, you can go to ClickBank, because on ClickBank you will actually get approved automatically. Okay, so this is the cool part. And another cool part about ClickBank is that they have different categories. So essentially you can promote products in any niche. Okay, you can find, as you can see, arts and entertainment, business and investing, computers, e-business, education, fiction, games, green products, home, mobile, parenting and family, self-help, you name it, they got it. So all you have to do is maybe just go to let's say the parenting and family category. You will find some product that you want to promote. So let's check out this one, Raise Your Kids Right. Obviously, to get your link, you're gonna have to log in, so you have to create an account first, and then you will be able to grab your link. So again, let me just show you an example of how this works, going back to this link that I was just approved for. So once you're gonna get your link, once you're gonna get approved, all you have to do is just grab this link. We will copy this link, and then we will go to Bitly. Bitly is a free link shortener. Okay, so going back here, as you can see, this link doesn't look too appealing, but we can just go to Bitly. We can shorten your link, so we will paste it right here, then we will click on shorten, and we will get a nice looking link right here. So this will be our affiliate link, and it will still go to the offer that we want to promote. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we will copy this link, and we will actually open the sales page, and on the sales page we can grab the headline and all the text. Okay, so as you can see, this is the sales page for this product. So all you have to do when posting these ads is you're gonna need a headline, and then you're gonna need some text. So this is the headline. I would just copy and paste it as is, then I would just go to the text right here on the sales page. I would pick like a nice paragraph, and I would copy and paste it as well. So let's say this would work. I would copy and paste it as well, and then going back, your ad should look just like this. So we have the headline, we have the text, and then we have the click here, and then we have your affiliate link. That's it. Now you can add some images if you want to, you can add some videos if you want to, totally up to you. And you would just grab all of this from this sales page right here. Okay, so as you can see, you know, we could just save this image right here. You can add this if you want to or not. This is how it works. Super simple, and you don't have to do anything else apart of just copy pasting from the sales page to the ad and adding your link. Super easy, right? So that's the whole strategy. This is the adforum.com. But before you go, let me show you 6 additional traffic sources. So obviously the adforum.com is just one traffic source. I told you I'm going to show you a total of 7. So let's go right now. So number 2 website you can use for free is classifiedsplace.com. And again, this is the same exact idea behind it. We have services, jobs, for rent, vehicles, items for sale, you know, all these different categories. Keep in mind the adforum.com is great for business opportunities because this is their biggest category. On our forums, you know, business opportunities might not be as big. The more ads you have, the more exposure you get, the more people will see your ad, the more people will actually click on your links, and obviously the more people will buy, the more money you'll make. Okay, so again, classifiedsplace.com, that's alternative number 1. We also have adsglobe.com. As you can see, this is for accounting, administrative, business and professional services, legal, media, military, etc. So again, the categories are a little bit different on all of these, but on all of these you will find some sort of business opportunities or work from home or making money online categories. Okay. Next up, I got usaonlineclassifieds.com, and again, this is the same exact idea. As you can see, we have business and opportunities right here. So we have home business, marketing and sales, making money, etc. We have shopping, we have real estate, we have personals, we have internet services. So think about things that people actually spend money on, okay? And people need to spend money on, first of all, services, and second of all, on something that they know that they will make money on, okay? So if people think that this is an investment, they will probably invest in something like I just showed you, okay? So let me show you the next one, and the next one is usnetads.com. Again, US free classifieds, obviously. You can find these classified ads websites in any country, okay? So if you want to do this locally, like I'm from Portugal, I could find a local Portuguese free classified ads, and then find some product where the ad copy is written in Portuguese, promoted this way. But obviously we want to get as many people as humanly possible to see our ads, so that's why we are going after US. You can go after Canada or Australia or the UK or, you know, Europe in general, but in general USA has the most people, and people are responding to these well. They are used to these classified ads, okay? So again, usnetads.com, and I also have the number 7 freeads.com. Again, same exact idea. You're posting ads for free, and this will work actually for USA, UK, Canada, and India, and also Dubai and Australia. Okay, so this is exactly what we were talking about just a second ago. And the last one, website number 7, is adlandpro.com. And again, we have jobs, we have for sale, we have automotive, we have services. Sometimes if they don't have the business opportunity category, you can even post in jobs like other jobs, education, etc. You know, you just find the category that makes sense, post as many of these ads as you can. You know, if you're posting like locally in some local city, post in many cities as you can. You could do Craigslist, but I know that Craigslist will actually ban you if you're posting the same ad over and over and over again. So just, you know, post in big cities, post something that just makes sense. And again, this is something that you can make hundreds of dollars per day with for free. As you can see, these ads don't cost nothing, and if you want to get a premium ad, you have to pay like $5. So this means that your ad will automatically go on top, and you will get much more clicks, much more traffic to it than any other ad. So guys, these are the 7 websites I promised to show you. This is the whole strategy. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I will make sure to answer as many as I can. But before you go, let me reveal the winner of the previous giveaway. Now, The previous video I made a giveaway on is this one right here, $144 per hour listening to music in 2020. Let me grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Now let's see how many comments we have on this video, and we have 64 comments. Right now let me pick a random winner. We got Tronzel PW. These were great recommendations. Push playlist was my favorite one. He's referring to the video. I get the email. Good luck everyone trying to get money online. So congratulations, I'm going to send you $10 right now, and if you want to win $10 just like Tronzel just did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the money to. Okay guys, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link will be taking you to the page that is a sign up page for my live training, and I'm going to show you live how I'm making 6 figures per year online, so make sure to show up for this one. Check out all the rest of the links. I have some secret formulas, case studies for free, I have my social media, I have all the tools that I'm using to make money online, so check all of this out. Again, if you're gonna have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'm going to try to answer as many of these as I can. Also, don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online, working from home, internet business, digital business, internet marketing, and everything related, so check everything else out as well. This video was about copy pasting, so obviously this is a unique strategy. Please try it. You will see results with this. It's almost guaranteed. Obviously I can't guarantee anything, but this is something that actually works. I know people that used it. I use it myself. It absolutely works. Give it a try. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.